in southeastern Arizona until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Saguaro Lake to near Granite Reef Dam to Gilbert to near Seville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Mesa, Chandler, Scottsdale, Gilbert, Tempe, Apache Junction, Fountain Hills, Paradise Valley, East Mesa, Sugarloaf Mountain, Sun Lakes, Valentine Trailhead, Round Valley, and Queen Creek. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 144 and 184. Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 196. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 6, and near mile marker 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal,